I would like to welcome you to our first webinar in our shipyard in Attersee am Attersee. We are pleased to be able to offer a full program today. Michael will show us some new details on the A27. We will then move on to Como in Italy, to our co-designer Harry Miesbauer, and he will talk about our new A39. Then we switch over to Florian Raudaschel, who will present some new sail creations from Doyle, especially designed for the A-Yachts series. After that, Espen Oxby, our representative for Scandinavia, and Gregor Zurflu as representative for Switzerland will introduce themselves and their service philosophy. Finally, we will take and answer questions from our customers and interested parties.